Welcome everyone. I am Tamilarasu, your business coach. In this video, we will be diving deep into one of the most powerful tool for B2B professionals, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Let's begin.
1. Understanding LinkedIn Sales Navigator, a comprehensive introduction. In the fast-paced world of sales, having a sophisticated toolkit can be the key difference between reaching your targets and falling short. And when it comes to leveraging professional networks for business growth, LinkedIn Sales Navigator stands out as a robust platform designed specifically for this purpose. Sales Navigator is LinkedIn's premium tool designed for sales professionals. It offers advanced search filters, lead and account recommendations, and CRM integration, making it a vital tool for modern sales strategies. 2. Maximizing your sales strategy with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Now, let's talk about how you can maximize your sales strategy with Sales Navigator. By personalizing your sales preferences, using advanced search options, and leveraging InMail, you can drastically improve your outreach efforts and lead generation. To fully leverage these features, it's essential to align them with your broader sales strategy. For instance, use the advanced search and lead recommendations to fill your sales funnel with high-quality leads. Use InMail and social selling features to build relationships and move prospects down the funnel, and use CRM integration to track your progress and optimize your strategy. 3. Mastering lead generation with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Generating high-quality leads is crucial. With Sales Navigator, you can find the right people faster. Utilize its advanced search features and lead recommendations to identify potential leads that align with your target customer profile. Mastering lead generation on LinkedIn Sales Navigator requires a combination of leveraging the platform's advanced features and adopting a strategic approach to finding and engaging potential. 4. In-depth. The unique features of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Sales Navigator has a range of unique features such as InMail, Advanced Search, and Team Link, which are not available on the free LinkedIn platform. Understanding these features can be key to enhancing your B2B sales efforts. 5. Effective CRM integration with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. One of Sales Navigator's powerful features is CRM integration. This seamless integration can help streamline your workflows, reduce time spent on administrative tasks, and keep track of your sales pipeline. 6. LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Customizing your sales preferences for better leads. Customizing your sales preferences in Sales Navigator allows the platform to provide more relevant lead recommendations, optimizing your prospecting process and increasing the chances of conversion. 7. Success stories. How LinkedIn Sales Navigator boosts B2B sales. Many businesses have experienced significant improvement in their B2B sales using Sales Navigator. These success stories highlight the effectiveness of the tool in enhancing lead quality, boosting sales revenue, and improving sales productivity. 8. Optimizing your outreach with LinkedIn Sales Navigator's InMail feature. InMail allows you to reach out to anyone on LinkedIn, even if you're not connected. By personalizing your message and using a compelling subject line, you can significantly increase your outreach success. 9. The power of analytics in LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Analytics are crucial for assessing your sales performance. With metrics like social selling index and InMail response rates, you can gain valuable insights and adjust your sales strategy accordingly. 10. A comparative analysis. LinkedIn Sales Navigator versus free LinkedIn. In comparison to free LinkedIn, Sales Navigator offers advanced tools specifically designed for sales professionals. From lead recommendations and InMail messages to extended network access and real-time sales updates, Sales Navigator certainly has the edge. Thank you for joining me in this comprehensive overview of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights into the world of business. Remember, success is waiting, go out and grab it.